Day of school.
Great, I'm so excited.
6:17 in the morning. So mag-ready tayo ng snack ni Gabriel. Yan.
No one's gonna.
Pero bago ang lahat, magtimpla muna tayo ng kape. Kape is life. Oh, Ken's friend Samuel. That's good.
I thought he was way older than him.
No, they're kind of the same. So guys, si Kuya Kent, drop off na ni Kuya doon. So, andun pala yung kaibigan niya din sa bus stop na yun, guys. Ako ng asawa ko at saka si Gabriel sa school. Dahil, papasok kami sa class ni Gabriel kasi pwede pa naman. First day pwede. Pagka the next day, hindi na pwede. Yung mga snacks nila dito, guys. Ayan. Crackers, some biscuit. Gawan ko na lang siguro siya ng hot pockets. Meron pa ako dyan, guys, oh. That's like a mango. Dried mango. Bigyan ko na lang din siya nito, guys. Day off natin today. Kaya nakasama tayo sa pag-drop off sa kanila sa first day nila. So, I'm happy. Ano ba yan? Parang ano? Lagyan natin ng cookie. Yung ano na game. At saka, itong juice box niya. Ito na lang mo. Okay. Good luck. Good luck sa asawa ko kasi tatlo talaga tong ano niya. Si Gabriel doon sa old school. Si Ate Cassie sa bagong school niya kasi junior na siya, junior high. Po si Kuya naman, high school. Good luck. Ayan na siya, guys. Ready na po siya. Excited na yan siya mag-school, guys. So, ito na yung ano ni Gabriel, guys, snack. Meron naman kasing free food sa school, guys. Ito ay in case lang na ayaw niya yung food sa school. At least, meron po siyang madudukot. She's ready.
No, I'm changing.
Nice.
I don't want to do this anymore.
Why?
Is this short?
No, it's okay. You're fine.
Wait a second. It's over your fingertips. If I wear anything longer, it looks like Raven. It looks like the 80s.
She's ready. So, leave the other one to my table because I'm gonna sew it because it's my off. I'm just gonna sew it a little bit. You know the other one they used yesterday?
Yeah, it just needs to like tighten up.
Yeah, a little bit. It's fine. So, ready na siya, guys. Ito na pala yung backpack na I returned it from the store kasi meron siyang security lock dito. Hindi ko talaga siya ni-return. Bali, I just had them remove the security lock. Good morning, my love.
You can see through the little. Is that appropriate for you?
What is it? Reklamo na siya, guys, sa damit ng dalaga niya.
Shorter than a cheerleading skirt.
Prepare lang muna kami kasi magre-ready pa ako and then we're gonna go to Gabriel's school. Di pa ako tapos magkape, guys, pero mamaya na lang. Get your backpack, Gabe. Kape muna tayo. Okay. Ito na school but it's not open yet. Dito na kami sa school, guys. Yay! Ay! Okay, can you hold this for mommy real quick? Don't drop it, please. Okay? Okay, I think it's time to go in now. Love you. Mwah. I will go there. You understand? I will block. And go. Right here in the middle, Gabriel. There you go. Okay, smile. 1, 2, smile. Great. Right here.
What's up, dude? Yes, sir.
Thank you. Morning, morning. Hi, morning. Morning. Thank you. Thank you. Morning. Go, Gabriel. Good luck. Where are we going first? Let's go to your class. Dito na kami sa loob, guys. Hanapin muna namin yung classroom ni Gabriel. Pero punta ata muna sila doon sa playground. So, tingnan na natin. First grader na kasi to. Kuya, first day of school. Kasi first day of school.
What kids wearing jackets?
Gabriel, first day of school. Those jackets are not thick.
I know, but it's 80 degrees.
Anyway, guys, tara guys. Let's go. Nanakawan po kami ng pera. Charot.
What?
So, pupunta kami ngayon sa store ng cellphone, guys, dahil that's good. Kasi, nag-overcharge po sila. Sinisingil kami ng mahal nung pag...
Put a battery in there.
Where, hon? This one? Oh, the clicker? Ah,
When are you gonna fix it? See that concrete?
Fresh
It needs to
food.
be taken out
I know.
and done away with, and then put in new concrete. Like here, let's go look at it. Good one.
Okay. Tara guys, papunta kami nga sa store guys kasi na-overcharge po kami sa pagsingil nila no kasi 'di ba? Kung naalala niyo, bumili kami ng cellphone ni Cassie pero cash po 'yun mga guys. Tapos meron silang dinagdag na protection or whatever. Kaya ngayon bill time na para sa line ni Cassie. Sobra-sobra po ang gusto nilang ibayad namin which kailangan bayaran ni asawa para hindi malak yung ni Cassie. So ngayon papunta kami doon at klaruhin ang lahat-lahat. Tingnan muna namin ang mga bahay namin guys. Dahil meron po kaming gustong project na gawin sa aming bahay. Para sa front lang naman mga guys. Tingnan nyo. Dito po kami sa bukid. Sa bukid, walang papel.
See, they just put simple bricks.
Exactly. So ganyan no? Simple.
But I
Oh,
was
look
gonna
at this
I was
neighborhood.
gonna put concrete. They got bricks too, but I was gonna put concrete.
Which one is easier?
Well, concrete is more better.
Oh, okay. Ganyan kasi white fence ilalagay namin sa front guys. Meron talagang area sa amin banda na maganda yung neighborhood.
See, they redid all like the houses, everything.
This house just clean, you know, kasi
Yeah.
we really need to fix our front yard guys.
See, like that, just put clean. Look, they put block wall, nice.
Very nice. Watch out.
And then like this block wall, see,
Yeah,
that's what we need.
I know, right? Marami kaming gustong gawin. Pera na lang ang
It's
wala.
not really the house, it's just, it needs to be upgraded a little bit.
Oh yeah, because you have the house for like, you know, and it's never been fixed since you guys live there.
But see, just pour concrete, like, see how that is right there, look.
Yeah, okay.
That curb,
Yeah.
just like that, and then put the fence in there. Just enough to hold the dirt, you know what I mean?
Exactly. So, ayan daw guys, maglalagay siya ng concrete. So, nakukuha lang kami ng idea sa
See,
mga
just like
kapitbahay.
And then just enough to hold the dirt.
Yeah. Kukuha kami ng idea sa mga kapitbahay para lang may idea guys. Kung alam niyo na, anong maganda. Magpaplano na kami para maayos na yung front yard namin. Para maganda na siya tingnan guys ba. Kasi before, inuna namin yung likod namin, di ba?
I missed it.
Anyway, andito na. Watch out. So, dyan na tindahan guys. Pasok tayo. Sa tabi pala ay, oh look! It's actually, but this one is so huge. Watch out, honey. Dito tayo. Pasok tayo sa loob guys. Meron ditong pizza at saka tacos.
How's it going?
Hello. Ayan mga cellphone dito.
I bought a phone and added another line about a month ago, and they're charging me or charges that I didn't agree.
Tayo nag-cellphone dito, guys.
Verification code. Yes.
Oh, it's okay. I'm just looking. I'm with him.
I don't see no code.
Customer care.
229.
Then
Baka pupunta kami sa tindahan. Saglit. Ayan, open sila. Bili tayo ng donut. 4, 2. Okay, let's see what they got. Look at the donut. So good. Hi, good morning. Yesterday you were sold out. Ah, okay. How much again? 12, 1,000? 19. Okay, let me do dozen, please. Okay, let's do the chocolate, no peanut, right? Okay, let me do 4 chocolate. This one has sprinkle, please. Yes. And 2 of this pink one, please. Yeah. Just make sure there's no peanut. Okay, thank. Okay. Because my son is allergy. So 6 already. So let me do this. Yes. Let's do 3. You don't have the one with sugar?
So, he touched the peanut, okay, but now...
And that's good?
Yes.
Alright. Hi guys. Dito na kami sa bahay. Naantay ko lang yung itlog ko na maluto, no? Tapos si asawa ko, doon lang siya. Sa gilid, sa tabi-tabi. So yun na nga, update na ayos na po nila. Meron lang certain stuff na nadagdag nila na hindi naman inaprobahan namin. Kaya inayos lang, and then for the next month, magle-less na yung bills namin. So see, ganyan sa Amerika guys, napakadali nilang kausap. Di ba? Konting explanation mo lang, basta goods lang, wala namang problema. Madali na naman maayos. But anyway, mag-relax muna ako mga guys, no? Kasi bukas magtatrabaho po tayo, and then meron tayong mga bagong stocks na dumating. Kaya busy po ang live natin. So, I'll see you guys later. Hi guys! Finally, na-set up ko na ng maayos yung aking pang-mount sa aking DJI. So, I think this is the best view. I had to turn on the light inside my car kasi nga, napaka-dark. So, na-drop off na pala natin si Kuya sa ano guys, sa gym. And it's currently, anong time na ba? It's 3:40. It's 3:41 mga guys. And si Kuya na sa gym, and I'm gonna be starting the dinner. So, let's go inside. Actually, nagtuna ako ng salmon. Kailangan ko lang lagyan ng seasoning.
Get my jeans back yet?
Well, I did not go to work today because
But I want to wear it tomorrow.
hopefully tomorrow I'll take this to Jody. Nagto ako ng salmon guys, and this will be the dinner for Sandra and Kent. Tapos lagyan lang natin ng spices or mga seasoning lang go guys. Tapos si asawa ko, since may leftover sauce, gawan ko na lang siya ng pasta so he can have a spaghetti for dinner. Share yan silang dalawa ni Gabriel. Pareho naman yan lang sila. Kasi si Gabriel guys, hindi pwede mag-salmon. He doesn't like salmon. So, ito na. Paper towel. Yan. Oil. Lagyan natin ng oil. Konti lang. Of course, olive oil is the best. Healthy. Tapos, a little bit of salt. Ayan. Pepper. Garlic. This one? Yes, it's actually garlic powder. And paprika. Pampakolor. Siyempre guys, hindi natin pwedeng kalimutan ilagay ang syrup. Hindi syrup, yung honey. Kasi, para medyo manamis-tamis. Ito na siya guys. Ayan, honey. Ito yung honey na ginawa ko. Sana hindi ko siya nilagay sa ref, no? Nag-ano tuloy siya. Oh. See? Hindi na to pwede guys. Kasi nalagay ko sa ref eh. Paano ba to? Wala na to. Tigas nito. So, ox na to guys. Wala ng honey. Oyster sauce na lang. Yan. Tapos, konting vegetable lang mamaya. And then, i-fry ko lang to. Pero mamaya na to konti guys. Maaga pa kasi naman. Ayun na guys. Piniprito na po natin ang salmon ng mga bagets. And then, magluto po tayo ng rice. Nugasan na natin saglit. Tapos mga guys, ito yung kinakain natin. Dinner na po natin to, no? Tapos magtimpla tayo ng kape mamaya. May itlog yan, chicken, at saka a little bit of rice. Konti lang guys, ayan. Hanggang hindi na po siya gumalaw. Saing na tayo guys. Rice cooker lang. Always. Habang nagluluto guys. Simak-simak tayo. Ano pa tayo ng tubig guys kasi magboil na tayo ng spaghetti ni asawa.